In 2016, SUNY Schenectady transitioned to a new learning management system, and over 200 full-time and adjunct faculty needed to become familiar with it. The college adapted an ambitious project. Instead of training only the faculty with interest in adopting the curriculum to an online environment, the school decided to include all faculty and creating an online course shell in the learning management system to enhance every course offered. Electronic versions of the class syllabi and all grades were to be recorded within the LMS. With this approach, students could benefit from constant access to course information and their grades. The college benefits from accessing the grade data immediately from student retention software to assist students demonstrating issues. Student success coaches could then mentor these students. This requires that all faculty and professional staff would need intense training. To complicate matters, new hires face several obstacles. First, a college email address is required to access all courses, including training. Getting a college email takes up to 3 business days after paperwork is filed. Second, when learning how to navigate a learning management system, it is counterintuitive to expect the learner to navigate that very system to access training about it. Third, with so many responsibilities, it is hard to motivate faculty of the importance of learning an online teaching and learning tool. In short, we needed to overcome the need for an accessible delivery for incoming faculty with no experience or access to the LMS, the need for flexibility that allows self-directed learners to explore the content, the need for engaging resources that will encourage faculty to participate in the training. To accomplish this, we adopted a 3-pronged strategy that 1. Develops training in both the LMS and a public website. 2. Implements video to augment the training and increase engagement. 3. Creates a campaign using an electronic newsletter, PDF training guides, and physical handouts to develop interest and drive traffic to the training. The OER website gave immediate access to new faculty who lacked college email accounts. A blog was chosen to host the training for several reasons. First, the brief posts coincide with our mission of creating short, targeted training. Second, the blog's organization suits allowing learners autonomy to control their learning. Tags categorize posts and allow learners to explore the topic. A search feature also allows learners to easily find lessons relevant to their needs. Third, the blog is hosted by Google. This featured a persistent free resource without ads, easy sharing on platforms, and was mobile friendly. An added benefit was a language translation tool that offers translations of the content in over 75 languages. Training was chunked into micro-units that faculty could master quickly, often under 5 minutes. Adhering to the principles of universal design for learning, content was presented in a multimodal way. Each micro-unit was a blog post that included textual presentation that included multimedia alternatives. Some examples include instructional video, interactive presentations, and embedded PDFs that can be downloaded. The second prong was the employee instructional video stored on a YouTube channel. This provided a flexible delivery system that worked in the LMS and the blog and could be easily shared. The channel is particularly effective at reaching new faculty who may not yet have LMS access, and we soon noticed that many were subscribing to the YouTube channel. All the videos are produced using a strict instructional rubric to maximize their effectiveness. The best practices the rubrics ensured included keeping videos brief following universal design and including closed captions, relying on cognitive load theory when chunking the information into readily available packets, and using context-focused scripts. The videos frequently employed whiteboard animation styles because they encouraged learner engagement and increased information retention. The third prong of the strategy adopted the premise that faculty would choose the learning style that felt most comfortable. There are multiple means to access to the lessons beyond the web that would encourage awareness and traffic to the web source. Besides access through the LMS or the OER blog, we offered faculty physical printed handouts in micro lessons with references to the website, its URL and QR codes, PDF versions of the handouts with video and hyperlinks, an opt-in electronic newsletter emailed monthly. In general, the strategy yielded successful results that were expected. Faculty requests for assistance decreased over 20%, and the type of requests begun to focus on more advanced usage. During that time, the student success rate improved. While the student success coaches were largely responsible, alerting them early using their retention software integrated in the LMS played its part. The electronic newsletter was surprisingly effective. Each time the newsletter was sent, it was followed with a spike in traffic to the training blog and in views of the featured video. More than encouraging the faculty to view the training material, the newsletter made a monthly presence. If the newsletter attracted the faculty to the micro lessons, the video kept them for more training. The videos were increasing engagement engagement and drawing traffic to the lessons. Several members subscribe to the YouTube channel or the blog's RSS feed to be aware of new trainings. On March 19, 2020, the COVID-19 pandemic forced all 90 SUNY colleges to move to an online instruction. The OER training helped smooth this transition. The content was already in several different formats and could easily be accessed anywhere at any time. The transition was merely transforming the rest of the semester into online content and using synchronous teaching tools. The actual course delivery and infrastructure already existed thanks to our strategy. The COVID-19 pandemic helped validate the need for schools to implement flexible learning strategies so they can adapt to sudden crisis. Creating an online course shell for each course is a wise strategy both in preparing for emergency evacuation of the campus and in using online tools to increase student retention rates. This requires training faculty who have many of the same challenges as non-traditional students. Adopting strategies for faculty development that offers multiple modalities of content delivery better accommodates their needs. In doing so, the college may benefit from higher student success rates and more effective faculty. Creating OER content increases faculty engagement and can be shared with others. Our training videos have been accessed internationally, and the YouTube channel currently has over 24,000 views. Besides our college, 30% of the views from external sites sharing the videos come from many other colleges, such as Cal Poly and Griffith University in Australia. The benefits of the OER approach include reduced man hours at the help desk, increased effectiveness of the training, and increased in student success. It further suggests that adopting an OER approach to certain training is in any college's interest.